welcome my video. This is Mama. This is LJ. Today we'll have McDonald's
Happy Meal Box.
Happy Meal Box.
And what does it say? We're spreading smiles to you and your kids with these Super Mario Happy Meal toys.
Look at that one.
Complete the happy bonding experience.
Look at this.
Okay. So now,
Open it. Open it.
wait, I'll help you. Open.
Wow.
Can you count first? Can you count how many? 1, 2, 3.
I got something.
Go. Yes, 4, 5. What? 6.
7. Pizza.
And 8.
Yeah.
So there are 8 Happy Meal toys from Super Mario Collection.
How do you get that?
Because they gave it to us, Shobe. Say thank you.
Thank you, bye.
Shobe again.
Thank you, bye. Bye. Dia joins me. Hi, everyone.
Okay, so Dina just woke up
Yeah.
and he's joining the unboxing. And we will open the toys.
I want to open this. This is
Okay.
toy Happy Meal.
Yeah, and so the first one is, what's this one, Dia? Can you hold Mario?
Yeah. I can hold this one.
Okay, first up, Dina has, JP has, can you show it? It's a Mario Power Block. And what does it do? You press it, Dina. And power up. Okay. Second is the Runny Yoshi launcher. So can you show them how to do it, Shobe? Okay. So you press and you launch it. So the third is magnetic Mario Koopa shell kicker. And what do you have here at the back? You have a stick, a magnetic stick, and that's how you control it. See? Yeah.
The other one didn't work.
Third one is Shobe's pick, which is the Mario Puzzle Cube. Can you show what to do?
It's
It is.
mini Minnie Mouse.
Can you open it? Oh, see? So you
Hey, put it back.
puzzle. Put it back, Shobe. Luigi Fireball Tosser.
Ooh, that's my favorite.
So you have Luigi and
This is
so this is Luigi. And it comes with, what are these?
Look at that, Mom.
Oh, and the tosser. So this is where you put it. See? The fireball there on this other hand, and then you flip this. Cool.
Yeah, look at this.
Princess Peach popping game. See what's inside, Shobe. And what does it do?
Hey,
Okay, do it again. Ooh.
And they win.
Good. Oh, shot. There you go. Another one. One is Dual World Maze Game. Shot loves puzzles. So, what is it? So there's Mario. There's a puzzle. Move it. There. That's what is that? Princess Peach spinning game. Open, Shobe. What is it? Can I see? Oh, so you spin it. Oh, Shobe. Spinning princess.